Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video here at Trader's Journey on YouTube. I've got another exciting play. You guys know I've been going ham with the videos every single day and on YouTube Live. I'm going to bring you this exciting play which I'm particularly interested in, and I have already entered in with my members, and it does concern this company Aerion Corporation. So I'm going to go into the deep analysis here of this stock and what the recent news is, and what I'm expecting to happen. I'm also going to mention all the risks associated with this play and what the potential is for this stock. So what you can see right now is we are on the website of Aerion, and there has been some rumors and some news that we may see a Spac merger between this private business and a Spac, which goes by the ticker name ALTU, which you guys probably have seen from the YouTube title. So, and the website looks impressive. What they're trying to achieve here is pretty impressive. Look what they say here: we are building a future where humanity can travel between any 2 points on our planet within 3 hours. So that's insane. What they're trying to achieve here for travel is going to be incredible. They also have a quote here: we are committed to bringing people closer together in a more vibrant and compassionate world where distance is no longer a barrier, and to innovation that is kind to our planet. So that's key there. That is key, because the aviation industry is yet to see this innovation where we're looking at clean energy, where we can have air travel where it's clean and friendly to the planet. So I'm really interested to see what happens with this business, not only the Spac merger. So I want to be talking about the Spac specifically and why it's so interesting, but just based off of the business model itself, it's incredibly exciting for this rumor to even be around. So let's have a look quickly at the charts. So ALTU is the Spac, where the rumor is that we may see this Spac actually merge with this private Aerion Corporation business, which I mentioned there is dealing with aviation. Now, what I'll also just flick back to the website, because I just want to show you something towards the bottom here, which will interest you guys. If you scroll towards the bottom of the website, you can see it's backed by Boeing and it's powered by GE Aviation, two well-known, renowned businesses in the industry. So I just wanted to mention that as well. So looking at the charts, they did go through a Spac merger. This ALT, they haven't gone through the merger yet, but the ALTU ticker, the actual Spac went through an initial public offering there towards the end of last year. And if my memory serves me right, it was around 300 million IPO, and we're currently trading up here based off of last Friday, we're up 11.82%. So ALTU is actually gathering a lot of hype across social media and the internet. And I'm just going to flick through some of the articles which I picked up here, guys, and I'm just going to confirm. Look, the Spac was 300 million. They raised 300 million in that initial public offering, which was in December, and they're trying to pursue acquisitions in travel related businesses. So the clue is there that they're trying to find an aviation business to merge with, and the rumor goes that it is obviously Aerion Corporation. So I think it's a fairly the rumor is based on some substance there, and I think it's fair. I mean, some of you guys, I will go into the risks of this play. It is obviously a rumor. No merger has been confirmed. But let it be known, guys, that with the CCIV play, we made 260% just based off of a rumor. The merger is yet to be concluded. But I'll update you guys hopefully on another video or on a future live with that particular play. But that just goes to show you rumors can still bring in crazy returns. So looking at the stock, the chart on ALTU, the actual Spac itself, not much going on, but you can tell just based off the price action alone, there is some hype building up, and the price is creeping up, and demand is definitely there, which we could see late on Friday. We've seen a bigger green candle, volume picking up, and the news is definitely spreading like wildfire. So I think towards the next week, at this point in time, we've got an all-time high of 1397, which is where we're having some resistance there. So I would like to see that break before we see newer all-time highs. So that covers the sort of technical aspect of this particular play. Now, just going into some of the company details of the actual Spac. So it is a blank check company, as you guys know. It is a Spac, and we have some interesting, not so much information here with a blank check company, but it is obviously focusing on the travel technology and travel related business areas. So they're trying to find a current private business that's looking to get listed that's specific to the travel industry. So I think based off the rumors which I found you can see on the video, we've got some rumors here that this article from Bloomberg, Boeing backed Aerion is in talks for Altitude Spac listing. Now, what is the potential here? What is the potential? So Altitude acquisition, which is ALTU, which you've just seen here on the charts. ALTU is currently at a market value of around 453 million, which is around 153 million higher than the initial public offering, which they had for 300 million. So it's already up 153 million. So now the question is, where do we go from here? Now, if you look at the actual company itself, which is Aerion, and the clues are here in this article. The companies are discussing a deal that would value the combined firm at up to $3 billion. Now, that is the combined firm. So if the current value of Altitude acquisition is 453 million, you're looking at 2.5 billion, right, for Aerion as a valuation. So you can only imagine, with this SPAC currently being valued at 453 million with a stock price of 13.46, you can only imagine with this SPAC deal that is going to be combined value of 3 billion, the market cap's going to be insane. And I have read some rumors that there are some back orders already for their planes, which they're looking to get started. I believe by 2023 they have a model which is called the AS2 jet model, business jet model, and it's insane. I want to get into some more of the details of this aviation business because we are waiting for huge amounts of innovation. It's a business, the area of the aviation needs updating. It needs getting with the times, and this particular company is trying to create a plane to just create, and they're trying to remove any sonic boom. So if you guys are familiar with flight and aviation, you know, if there's a plane going quickly just near to the surface of any particular area, you will see that a sonic boom is created. So their business model is trying to remove any sort of sonic boom, and that is insane technology. I'm just going to see if I can find the article. Here we are. It's going to fly a silent supersonic plane by 2024, and it's apparently going to unlock a $40 billion market. So the revenues, so they've not even started flying this jet. So it's only going to be from 2024. So never mind the market cap at the moment and the worth of the business, but the future revenue potential of this business is insane. So yeah, and they've got the Vice here who said his company sees a market for as many as 300 aircraft over a 10-year period, bringing in as much as $40 billion revenue. And I think that's a conservative number there. And so this is very exciting to see, and combine that with obviously trying to create a more efficient aircraft and aircraft that can be safer and better for the planet. That is just going to attract even more investors as well, because the aviation industry, like I said, needs updating, and we need to try and help prevent climate change. So businesses like this are obviously going to see huge amounts of investment. Just flicking on to some of the other articles which I've read, it is Boeing backed this business Aerion, so they have good backing here, and I'm just so excited to see where this goes. You know, the SPAC is worth 453 million. If the deal goes ahead, it's going to be insane. I think this is going to be one of those plays which we could potentially catch early now. I have already told our members about this, so we are in this play as of now. So I thought to let you guys know with this video. So I hope you understood, and I hope this has helped you in understanding this potential investment opportunity. But SPACs, I have been reading in the newspapers this weekend, guys, hedge funds are loving SPACs this year. SPACs are just taking up so much of hedge fund portfolios because they see them as safe havens and potential gold mines. So I think when the deal goes through, you could have these SPAC mergers actually grab huge opportunities, and they are known to be potential gold mines with these Spacs, so which is why I'm so excited about these type of Spac plays. So I hope you've managed to learn something here, and you've managed to get some value from this video. If you have, make sure you hit that subscribe button, join the community, and feel free to follow me as well on my Instagram, which is traderjourney_official. Feel free to DM me there if you have any questions. Happy to get into some discussions with you, as I have done in the past. So thanks very much for watching. We will catch you all on the next one. Take care. Goodbye.